Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Gallery app is crashing in Samsung S23. If you're using Galaxy S23 and you're facing the issue that your Gallery app is crashing or it's not working as well, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to click to Gallery app, open this, click on this menu button, click on settings, and once you're in settings, just go through down to about gallery here, and it will check if there will be any update available for your gallery app. If you might have found, you might get that here, but if you can't find any update, just go back and keep a long press on your gallery app here, select this info button. Now here, just scroll down, go to storage. Now once you are in storage, click on clear cache. It will clear all the cache or junk files of your gallery app. So you can retry this to use the gallery app after this, or you can also click on clear data, click on delete. It will delete all the data in your gallery app. It will not delete your photos, videos. It will delete your app data. Now, once you have done, just go to gallery app again. You can easily access your data, but your gallery app will be refreshed. If you are still facing the same issue, once you have updated your gallery app, you have deleted cache. So keep a long press on it again. Go to I button or app setting again. Just scroll down. Here you might see the force stop option. You just have to click on it. Click OK. It will forcefully stop your gallery app. Once I've done, now once you retry to open your app, I recommend you how to make a restart. Just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart button again. So once you have restarted, after restart, you can easily use your gallery app without any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.